honor, engage, create. 3 small words that capture our commitment and approach to renewal. The tragedy that unfolded at Marikana in August 2012 will forever be etched in the collective memory of those who lived through those events. More than a decade later, 44 families are rebuilding their lives, and communities have been actively involved in building a better future for the next generation. When Sibanye Stillwater acquired Lonmin's operations in 2019, we could not change the past, but we could play our part as a catalyst for transformation, contributing to the creation of a new and shared future. This has been a journey of co-creation, made possible by building relationships based on mutual respect. Investing in education and creating pathways to employment are the foundational steps to empowering the youth and liberating entire families out of poverty. The Marikana Youth Center after-school program, run by Africa Tikan, provides a cradle-to-career model that focuses on the holistic development of the individual, including the academic, personal, and artistic development of young people, while considering the social and economic factors that impact their learning. The majority of households in Marikana are headed by single mothers who work during the day. The Youth Center ensures that children receive a nutritious meal with after-school lessons in English and maths. The project reduces exposure to negative influences such as substance abuse and fosters a love for learning at an early age. In collaboration with the Department of Education, we built the Majakaneng Primary School, where 19 qualified teachers have provided education to 690 learners between grade R and grade 7 since 2023. In addition to infrastructure, we provide free Wi-Fi to enhance learning to 18 schools and supplementary maths and science programs to 16 schools. Before the Leogeng Secondary School started operating in 2022, learners had to travel great distances just to get to a classroom. Now, 15 qualified teachers support around 500 learners with a special emphasis on maths and science. In total, we have built and upgraded 4 schools in the region, providing for almost 2,800 learners, which has enhanced education capacity in the area, reduced overcrowding, and improved the quality of education and facilities. Access to healthcare is the cornerstone of the overall well-being of individuals and communities. We partnered with the Department of Health to refurbish the Sonop Clinic, where 5 qualified nurses provide care to around 100 patients per day. This is one of the 6 healthcare facilities we have contributed to. Also, in partnership with the Department of Health, we renovated and extended the Marikana Community Health Center. This facility provides primary health care to the local community. 6 qualified nurses and 2 assistant nurses provide care to around 100 patients per day. Infrastructure upgrades are changing the face of the Nkaneng settlement and Wonderkop, which were at the epicenter of the tragedy. In consultation with landowners, government and local communities, we are providing a paved entrance road, graded internal roads, streetlights, trees and seating areas. This will also make the Marikana Memorial Site at Wonderkop more accessible. We have accelerated our efforts to combat gender-based violence and femicide and substance abuse in local communities. An example of one of our initiatives addressing gender-based violence is the Papong Center. The Safe Spaces initiative provides support to victims and survivors and drives gender-based violence and femicide awareness in the area. It is one of the 14 centers in the area which, in addition to the Community Wellness and Safety Center in Marikana, creates safer communities and has trained community members to respond to emergencies such as fires and injuries. Agriculture, production and commercial facilities can provide livelihoods where joblessness is so pervasive. We have partnered with the Mine Workers Development Agency to develop the Marikana Agri Hub. The hub's egg-laying center will become commercially viable, selling 7,000 eggs per day, while its beehives will supply honey to local markets. Plans to build a harvest packing shed from which goods can be dispatched are underway. The Agri Hub is also the center of a vital network of around 1,000 food gardens, helping small-scale farmers gain access to the market. The hub also houses the Marikana Presidential Social Employment Program, which provides work opportunities for the unemployed in agriculture, greening the environment, health and home-based care, and early childhood development. The program has been running for more than 24 months and currently employs 1,500 young people from 3 wards in Marikana. The Agri-Hub's Regenerative Center of Excellence, delivered in partnership with the African Climate Foundation, is teaching responsible farming, using less water and chemicals, and to withstand the impact of climate change. Another example of self-sustaining food security projects is the Marikana Eco Bakery, which bakes and sells fresh bread and other confectionery goods to the local community. The bakery employs 9 bakers and 2 EcoBike delivery drivers and sells more than 200 loaves of bread daily. These products are sold at around 30% lower than large-scale producers. These are just some examples of the collective work that has been done through our partners and stakeholders to effect impactful socio-economic renewal in the communities in which we operate. Over the past decade, we invested around 14 billion rand in socio-economic development programs that provide jobs, rehabilitate land, upgrade roads, support healthcare, education, and food security. We will continue to walk this journey of renewal with our partners and stakeholders to secure a positive future for generations to come.